Hello friends, in this video we will tell you how to set up GST liability. First of all, we need to go to the GST return dashboard. Here in the GST dashboard, we will select the month, which is the July month return we are filing. Search. If you see in this video, now go to file GSTR 3B. इन GSTR 3B आप देखेंगे दैट हमने सारा कुछ पहले से फिल करा हुआ है. आउटवर्ड लाइबिलिटी, इनपुट, आउटपुट, ITC eligible, everything has been filed accordingly. Now we will go to the payment part. In the payment part, if you see, our tax payable is coming with this column is already freezed. Our reverse charge liability is also coming here. Now in this column, we need to mention what is the amount we need to pay into the cash. So here in this tax and cess paid in cash column, we will mention the amount which is supposed to be paid into the cash. So here we will mention amount. हमारी liability थी यहाँ पे 316,297, which is the amount we have paid into the cash. That amount we have already mentioned. Available balance is coming 10, which is we have paid another challan of rupees 10. That's why it is reflecting of rupees 10. Now we will pay liability for the central tax. Likewise, we will pay liability for state tax. Since our liability as well as the payment amount is matching, now we need to click on this button, offset liability. If both liability and payment is matching, then offset liability will be done. If the amount mentioned in the liability and amount mentioned into the cash is less, then it will not be set off. And make sure that once you enter the amount into the cash paid amount, you should have available balance into the cash ledger. That we will show you how to check balance into the cash ledger. Now we will click on the offset liability. If successful, it will show the offset liability successful. Okay, so this is the way we have done the offset liability option. Now we need to file the return. Just click on the option or select the authorized signatory and then select the click button how to file GSTR 3B with DSC. Now we will tell you one more thing, how to check your electronic cash ledger. In this electronic cash ledger, you can check what is your available balance and how much amount you have already paid. Electronic cash ledger. See, this was the opening balance 0. We had paid amount 10 earlier, then we have deposited the liability, and then today this liability has been set off on 21st, and then in this way we can see that how to set off liability of the GSTR 3B.